Homemade aloe vera gel. If you're someone who doesn't trust things that are made from these chemicals and you would want something that is natural, try out this recipe and make your own aloe vera gel. Trust me, it's 80% natural. It's not like other gels that are bought in stores, most of them are a little percentage of real aloe vera gel is used to make it. But in this one, we are going to use typically aloe vera gel. So if you're out there and you would want to try out making your own DIYs, homemade products for your skin, for your hair, and you would want to mix them with aloe vera gels, my friend, this video is for you. Make sure you stay around and watch till the end of the video. Hello friends, welcome back here to another recipe, to another DIY homemade. It is not as clear as the store-made aloe vera gels. This is it is not very colorless, but trust me, it is more beneficial. You will get all the benefits of the aloe vera onto your hair, onto your skin. And if you stick around, you follow us, you subscribe to this channel, we are going to keep showing you more DIYs that you will need to make skin masks with this gel that you have made, hair masks, skin scrubs, yes, and the hair creams, hair conditioners. So make sure that you stick around, and if you haven't subscribed, you're new to this channel, please endeavor to subscribe, like, comment. You can share our videos to your friends, your loved ones, those who are interested in natural things. Yes, we are 100% natural, most of our products. So stick around till the end as we learn how to make aloe vera gel. I have always wanted to make it and share it with you guys, so today I just decided to make it, and here we are. Hope you're doing good. Yes guys, we begin by cutting our aloe vera leaves. We remove the other poison that always is on its lower part. You do that by putting these leaves, you make them to sleep in water. Yes, you prepare your water, you insert them, you leave them for 24 hours, then remove them. It will be when it has already disappeared. Then after, you will cut it like I've cut it, and then you get your spoon or a knife, you scoop out your aloe vera gel. Yes guys, like I've done, like you see. We used about 5 medium sized aloe vera leaves. You can use as many as you can by following our recipes. Depends on how much gel you want to get out of there. Yes, for us we got like, is it a quarter or more than a quarter, which is around we got around 350 grams of aloe vera. At this stage you can use a blender, or if you don't have a blender, do like we did, because for us we didn't have a blender. Let a blender don't stop you to make your gel. Then we sieved using our kitchen towel. You can use your sieve, or you can use I don't know the other cloth for sieving. If you know it, please comment down below and you tell us how it is called. Yes, you can use that one as well to sieve it very well, like the way it is coming out, you see. We need that juice, we need that gel. It's not yet ready gel, but this one is also called the gel, this natural one, like naturally derived from the leaves. Yes, guys, we will need 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum for our recipe. In it, you will add 2 teaspoons of glycerin, vegetable glycerin. Yes, to mix our xanthan gum first, because you don't need to put it direct. If you put it direct, my friend, it will form lumps and bumps, and you don't need that. So you first mix it on a side like we did very well. Make sure there are no lumps left. So it's ready. Before mixing in our gum, we are going to first put in our liquid gem plus. You can add in any natural preservative, but for us we use liquid gem plus. We added 1 tablespoon. We are not using this will keep our gel for some time, maybe like 3 months. Yes, like 3 months. Then after there, we are going to add in our xanthan gum. Yes. When you add in the gum, make sure you whisk it very well, so that those lumps are not there. Otherwise, it will not come out the way you want. Otherwise, thanks for watching our videos. We appreciate. God bless you. Thanks for liking, commenting. Keep doing that. It will help us to reach out a lot of people who need this. As you can see, we mixed it well. Aloe vera gel can be used in many cosmetics. For hair, for your skin, promotes hair growth, it reduces dandruff, it reduces acne, it fades away wrinkles, and also it soothes the skin that has been affected by sunburn. So it has a lot of benefits on your skin and for your hair. So we need it. Leave it to rest for about 5 hours. It is ready. As you can see, it has been 5 hours. And that's how it came out. It is not clear like I told you from the beginning, but it's good enough because it has all the nutrients, all the properties you need for your hair than the store one, than the bought one. So I would prefer this. After that, you can put it in a very clean glass jar or container to keep it well, like you have seen here. There we go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share. See you in our next video. Bye bye.